I mean, it can be a hassle, but they're your family, right?
A civil authority has issued a child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. New York, at 10:24 am on November 2nd, 2027, effective until 11:24 am. The Erie County Police Department has activated the New York State Amber Alert and is investigating a child abduction that occurred on West Ferry Avenue in Buffalo, New York at about 9 am on November 2nd, 2027. The child, Sam Main, is a white male, approximately 10 years old with brown hair and blue eyes. He is approximately 4 feet 9 inches tall and weighs about 105 pounds. Sam was last seen wearing a black t-shirt with the planet Earth and a blue pair of shorts. The suspect, Tanner Martinez, is a Hispanic white male, approximately 19 years old with black hair and green eyes. He is approximately 6 feet 0 inches tall and weighs about 135 pounds. Tanner was last seen wearing a t-shirt with the flag of Brazil and a known color pair of pants. The vehicle has been identified as a white Honda Accord with New York license plate ADF 3859. Again, that's New York license plate ADF 3859. The vehicle was last seen traveling on West Ferry Avenue. The child was taken under circumstances that lead police to believe that they are in serious danger of bodily harm and/or death. Anyone with information on this abduction is asked to call the Erie County Police Department at 716-858-6365 or dial 911 to provide information on report or sighting. Visit amber.ny.gov for the most up-to-date information concerning this alert.
I'd like to go if the offer still stands.
I knew you'd change your mind.
Yeah.
Bills. Call now for a free and instant protection plan quote. It's only a matter of time until repairs are needed, and once your car breaks down, it's too late.
Call 1-800-507-0732. That's 1-800-507-0732.
A civil authority has issued an administrative message for the following counties or areas. New York, at 1:30 p.m. on November 3rd, 2027, effective until 2:30 p.m. The Amber Alert issued for Sam Main on November 2nd has been cancelled. Repeating, the Amber Alert issued for Sam Main on November 2nd has been cancelled.
$50 per month. New, double the speed of our most popular plan for the same price. Go to getviasat.com or call 1